guys, so my name is Jasmine. I am a master stylist and IB educator. So today we're going to be going over how I do a money piece. This is highly requested right now. So we're going to be changing it up from 22s going to wavy 18 inches with kitsune. So I'm going to be going over color placement and the toners that I use to create the color that we're going to do. And today we're going to go for a beigey ice blonde. So stay tuned, this is going to be really fun. So I just got done installing one row of natural wave kitsune. And if you're looking at her hair, we actually have not colored her since July. And guess what? We're still not going to color a lot today. One thing that I really want to touch on is you do not have to overlighten your blondes. You could actually do just a little mini placement to brighten it all up by your face and make it look really lived in and delicious, and it's perfect because it's winter. So today I'm going to be using Wella Blonde D'Or, and we're going to be using 10 volume with B3 Bond Builder added in. Personally, I prefer B3 over Olaplex when it's someone as light as her because I can just get through my service really quick. So now we'll move on to placement. All right, so I start out in 4 quadrants, and I like to follow the hairline. So I part in the middle on everyone, regardless of where they part. And then I go down to the recession line, put these 2 in clips, and then I leave these 2 out. Usually when I am doing my money piece, I like to do 1 weave and then 2 slices. And then I'll continue on and do vertical slices, working up the head. They're actually vertical, slightly diagonal back. Since today we're just doing a mini move up, I'm not going to do a weave and 2 slices because I want it to blend a little bit better. So I'm going to actually change it up. We're going to be doing a weave, a slice, and then a weave, just so it has a really nice transition into the rest of her hair. So I'll get started with that right now. Okay, another thing that I like to do is I rotate from side to side. So I'm gonna start right here. Right by your ear always lightens a little bit slower than on the top of your head. If you're putting someone in the dryer, even more so, or underneath like an infrared light. So I'm gonna rotate on my dominant side. I'm gonna go to my left side, and then I'll go back to my right side and then my left side to finish it up. And it just creates a more even and consistent lift. Okay, so I wanna talk about one thing real quick. So personally for me, when you get these little fine little baby hairs right here, I don't actually like to lighten those. Sometimes when you get those in there, it almost makes them a little bit more noticeable. So what I'm going to do is just ignore these little baby hairs, and I'm going to be just taking a diagonal back slice following her hairline. And if the little bit gets in, that's fine, but I'm not going to be focusing on it going vertically. So we did 12 foils. That's all we needed. Can you believe that? This is going to give her a really lived-in look. It's still going to keep her bright around her face, especially for her ponytails that you get with that IVE. She's going to be rocking those with a bright hairline. And we're just going to process, and then I'll come back to you and let you know my formulas for toning. Okay, so this is our finished look. It literally looks like she just got all of her hair colored again, which is my favorite part. But really, we both know that it was, or all of us know that it was only 12 foils max. So for the toner that we did, this time I toned everything first, and I did 20 grams of 9V, 20 grams of 9P, and then 10 grams of 9NV. And then I did that with, I actually used 13 volume with Wella, clear. And then for her root color, we did, she's very, very light at her root. So we did 5 grams of 8N, 2 grams of 8NA, and then 5 more grams of 9N. And that was it.
now, just kidding. Thank you so much to Jazz. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, remember to like, subscribe, share, all the things.